Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the back.
Heyo guys, what's up? Welcome back po ulit in my channel, and finally nagawan ko na din ng video itong si Obsidia. Sa mga nagtataka ba't hanggang ngayon Legend 5 pa din ako at hindi na naalis, ganun talaga guys. Madalas tayo ma-defeat lately sa laban, kaya bawas star din yun, and ang pinakamataas na rank yata na naabot ko Mythic 4. Doon yun sa isa kong MLID na Jonalyn Jade. Then na-demote din after nung magbago ang season, so balik Epic 3 din ako nun. Never pa ako nakaabot sa Mythical Glory or mas mataas na rank kasi di naman din ako kagalingan maglaro guys. Di po tayo pro player. Tsaka di rin ako madalas maglaro kasi syempre may work din po ako. So ang katapat ko nga pala dyan na marksman si Claude. Si Claude guys, gusto ko din siya matutunan gamitin as marksman hero ko. Hanggang ngayon di ko pa siya na-obtain, and for sure once na maka-obtain ako ng Claude pa-practice agad ako sa classic paano siya laruin.
With bated breath, the world awaits a true awakening. Killing spree! Die! Killing spree! My power will grow! Attack the turtle! I am the abyss. The enemy has slain the turtle. Slain. The weak can do naught but tremble. Solo kill. Shut down. Solo kill.
You know what I like with Obsidia? Yung speed up niya, kasi di ko na kailangan ng sprint or flicker kasi yung second skill pa lang niya na speed up pwede ko na mapabilis ang takbo at pag-atras ko. Lalo na ako si Atras Queen.
The decaying rock is easy prey to the darkness's corruption. Understood. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Ally has been slain. Enemy has been slain. Shut down. Enemy double kill. Earth tanking. Upon a mountain, dagger and crown are forged. Request backup. An enemy has been slain. Request backup. Killing spree. Solo kill. The call. Enemy has been slain. Enemy has slain the turtle. Mega kill. Killing spree. The weak can do naught but tremble. Death approaches. Die. Mega kill. Solo kill. Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack. Understood. I am the abyss. Unstoppable. Launch attack. Okay, epic outplay. Well played. Ally has been slain. Die. Your team destroyed a turret. Death approaches. Die. Request back. Understood. Good game. Launch attack. Your doom. Unstoppable! Death approaches. Die.
True awakening.
Launch attack!
Understood.
The enemy has slain the turret. Destroyed a turret. Turret has been destroyed. Monster kill!
I am the
Initiation and the destroyer. Kill!
for an insect.
Chamba lang yun guys.
Decaying rot is easy prey.
Very.
I am the architect and the destroyer. I see what is mine, unlike those pathetic creatures of the light.
Ally has been slain. Launch attack! Turret under attack! Launch attack! Legendary! Solo kill! An enemy has been slain. Launch attack! Okay. An enemy has been slain.
Umatras ako dyan kasi sumusugod si Gusion at baka isang attack na lang sa akin ni Machugi ako. Hindi na lang siya nakita dun sa screen.
Killing spree! Attack the Lord! Ally has slain Gorn!
Through your path to the abyss.
Legendary! An enemy has been slain! An ally has been slain! Initiate destroy the turret! Legendary! Launch attack! Legendary!
For an insect, death is the only mercy.
I'm low on HP.
Shut down! Quest back slain! Legendary!
For me guys, ito para sa akin lang to Pwede din naman kayong mag-disagree sa sasabihin ko. Pero mas gusto kong mag-hero ng Obsidia pag yung mga kakampi ko mahilig mang-ambush. Yung sama-sama kayong umaatake. Ganun. Tapos sa likod lang si Obsidia as finisher ng group. May mga times kasi na pag Obsidia ako, di ko masolo kill yung mga hero like Esmeralda, yung ibang mga fighters at assassins. Hindi ko yun ma-solo kill. Ito para sa akin lang naman Ewan ko sa ibang Obsidia users kasi baka sila naman de-defeat nila ng solo, diba? Ako kasi di naman pa ako ganun ka pro maglaro.
Your team destroyed a turret! An enemy has been slain! Break initiation!
The abyss shall meet
Legendary!
tonight.
Understood.
I seize what is mine, unlike those pathetic creatures of the light.
Your team destroyed the turret!
Good kill. That was amazing.
Initiate retreat! Initiate retreat!
Gather at the Lord.
The remnants have returned.
Attack the Lord! An enemy has been slain! Killing spree!
Sword Slayer. Brilliant taking.
Slain and double kill!
Death is the only mercy.
Request battle!
Star Lord.
The decaying rot is easy prey to the darkness's corruption.
Mega kill! Victory!
I am sovereign of the abyss, the slayer of gods.